If you click May 16, it will show top 10 countries in May 16. If you click June 27, it will show top 10 countries on that date. This is possible through Enlighten Stack Shuffle, a custom visual in Power BI. Welcome back to another videos on time series data visualization. Want to know how this chart was created? Stay tuned. This custom visual is best accompanied with stack column chart. Enlarge the empty chart. Now, let's obtain our data source in Excel format. Select a certain file. Connecting to data will take a few seconds. Choose a certain worksheet. The worksheet has 3 columns and seems okay. Then you can load the data. You will know that the data was completely loaded when you say the column names under Fields section. Drag the date as the axis. What you say is date hierarchy. This time, we will not be using date hierarchy, so simply choose date. Drag number of cases as the values. Now, you have the column chart with data from February to June. Go to Filters to minimize inclusion of dates. We choose only May 16 to June 27. As you can see, our column chart only visualizes data from May 16 to June 27. Go to Format to change the background color. Now let's add another visual. Click the 3 dots to add custom visual. Search the term Shuffle. Import once you found it. It was successfully imported now. Click the icon of Enlighten Stack Shuffle chart. You now have an empty chart. Drag the country region as the category. Countries will be ranked by number of cases. You will see the default top 5 items, or for this chart, it's top 5 countries. Go to Format for customization. Under Stack Shuffle, change the background color. You can change also the font size. Instead of default top 5, you can have top 10 data items. You can turn on the rank so you can see the rank numbers. Sorting can be descending or ascending. This time, we will maintain the default descending order. Turn on the full width. Under background, you can change the background color. You can hide now the filters so we have bigger space for our charts. Point the mouse to May 16 and it shows that there are 4.6 million total cases as of that date. Click the bar of May 16 and you will see the top 10 countries at that particular date. Top 5 are US, Russia, UK, Brazil, and Spain. On May 24, the total number of cases goes up to 5.4 million. Click the June 24 bar and you will observe that there are changes in the ranking. We also notice that India enters the top 10. On May 31, there are 6.1 million cases and Peru enters the top 10. There are 6.9 million cases in June 6 and India enters the top 5. June 17 has 8.3 million cases and Chile enters the top 10. Clicking again the June 17 bar will highlight all the bars. You can go to Shuffle chart and choose one item. By selecting one item in the Shuffle chart, the column chart will also change. Amazing, right? It shows that on May 16, the total number of cases is 4.6 million, while the highlighted item, which pertains to US, has total cases of 1.4 million. It also shows that on June 27, Total number of cases goes up to 9.9 million, where 2.5 million belongs to US. That's it. This is a very interesting and informative way of visualizing time series data. To know more about time series data visualization, click the links in the description below or click these end screens. Thanks for watching.